Hello student, today we will discuss an important question which comes into JEE 2015. So let's start the question. Here the velocity time graph is given. The velocity displacement graph, sorry, it is not velocity time graph, it is velocity displacement graph describing the motion of a bicycle is shown. Okay, the acceleration displacement graph is we need to find. Okay, so here there is a twist. Generally we get displacement time graph, velocity time graph, but here there is no time axis. Instead of time axis there is displacement axis. That means in x-axis it is given as displacement, and y-axis velocity is given, and in answer y-axis acceleration is given. So this type of question is not readily available in most of the textbook. So the solution is quite simple. So let's start the question and try to solve it within 5 minutes. Okay, so the endless portion of the graph is this one. Okay, so for this question there are two parts. The first part is this is AB and C. Okay, AB, at first we have to analyze the AB part, and then after that it will be BC. So at first we need to find the equation of AB. So what will be the equation of AB? Generally AB is a straight line, therefore the equation will be y is equal to mx plus c. We all know that this is the equation of the straight line which is inclined at a particular angle. So m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. Okay, so in y-axis it will be v, and x-axis it is x, and m is equal to how much? It will be m is equal to, actually it is the slope. What is the slope of this line? The slope of this line, m is equal to the slope of the line. M is also known as dv dx. Okay, so dv dx. So what is dv dx? 50 minus 10, that means dv is equal to 50 minus 10, and dx is equal to 0, 200 minus 0, that means 200 minus 0. So it will be 40 divided by 200. So it will be 1 by 5. Okay, so dv dx is equal to 1 by 5. So we can erase this one. Dv dx is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, so that means m is equal to 1 by 5 x. What is c? C is the y-intercept. Y-intercept is 10, so that means it will be 1 by 5x plus 10. This will be equation 1, and this is the equation number 2. Okay, so we can write dv dx as dv dt and dt dx. Okay, so it will be 1 by 5. So what is dv dt? It is acceleration. What is dt dx? It is 1 by 5 dx dt. So what is dx dt? It is v. So that means v divided by 5. What is v? V is equal to 1 by 5x plus 10. That means 1 by 5x plus 10 divided by 5. Okay, it is 1 by 25x plus 10 divided by 5. This is 2. So this is the relationship between a and x. Okay, so that means from this equation we find that 2 is the intercept. So all of the 4 options have 2 intercept. Have you noticed it? This is 2, this is 2, this is 2, and this is also 2. Okay, so all options are correct according to the intercept, but we have to find whether it will be, the slope will be 1 by 25 or not, or these two options will not be correct, because the power of a is 1, the power of x is 1. So that means it is a linear equation, and these two graphs are not the graph of linear equations. Linear equations, that means the power of x-axis is also 1, the power of y-axis is also 1. Okay, so out of these two options one will be correct, and for that we have to analyze the slope. So in the first line, this is the slope will be 18 minus 2 divided by 200. That means it will be 16 divided by 200. And in the second case it is also 16 divided by 200. That means slope is also same. That means it is 2 by 25. And again it is also 2 by 25. Okay, so 2 by 25 will be slope, but here 1 by 25 is the slope. So this slope is not matching with the solution. So I think the options are not truly correct. So it should be not 16, it should be 8, I think. Okay, so it is I think this is not 18, it should be 10. Okay, so that means 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Okay, so I need to correct this one, I need to correct this one. Okay, I need to correct. So this is not 18, it is 10. Okay, this is not 18, this is 10. Okay, this is 1 by 25. After that, in BC part, if you notice, then BC is straight line. That means the velocity is not changing with displacement. That means acceleration is 0. But here acceleration has some value, and here acceleration is not given. That means it is 0. So the option 1 will be the correct answer. Option 3 we can ignore, because here some value of acceleration is there, but according to this graph the velocity is not changing in spite of the displacement. So that means the option 3 will be the wrong option and 1 will be the correct answer. So the answer will be option number 1. This is the correct answer. Okay, thank you.